Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. We got the S4 in the garage, the shop. Big day today. We're installing a ton of stuff from Carbnlab. We have 4 boxes actually. I think 3 of them we're gonna do in today's video. You guys can tell by the title, but the big modifications of the day, the RS Grille, the intercooler, and charge pipe kit. So everything going on today. One of the 2 necessary components you need for the stage 2 software on the B9, and one of them is going in today. The other, being the downpipe, is actually in another one of these boxes. So if you guys are new to the channel, we do a ton of stuff like this. Let's take a little look around the parking lot, shall we? Couple fun builds. We have the S5, which is already stage 2, the one that we're taking on the rally, and then the B8.5 S4, which we just did downpipes on. This one is a stage 1 IE tune. This one does not belong to me. And then a cool client RS5, so plenty of stuff happening. So of the 4 boxes, the RS Grille's in this one, intercoolers here, charge pipes here, and the downpipe here.
They wrote little Kev G on there, let's go.
Let's get these things opened up. We're putting this thing on the Rhino ramps today. The lift is occupied in the other unit. So we got a jack, Rhino ramps. We're gonna flip it right here, drop the bumper, and get into the install itself. The intercooler on the B9 S5 was pretty simple. We did the AWE one on that. So it'll be good to compare, see what this one's all about. Carbnlab has a ton of stuff. Obviously, we have a ton of their items right here, but on their website, the biggest things they sell, the grill, the intercooler, the downpipe, and the lip. The lip is, I believe, in the mail, so gonna be getting that here shortly. Super excited for that. But without further ado, let's get into it. All right, first we'll unbox the grill. Packaging, solid. Oi. Oh yeah, baby. Yes, and the rings came on it. That is so clutch, dude. That's huge for install time.
What?
The rings are on it. Everything's like together.
That is a lot nicer than the brand we won't mention.
Yeah, we're not gonna slander here, but does yours say quattro on it too?
No.
Or no? Okay, so
I did option mine to not say. I didn't put it on.
okay, I optioned mine to have it because I think it looks sick.
It does look sick.
It is optional. So here we go. Black rings, just like how it is now, but everything's super glossy, and this is good quality too.
It looks really nice.
It does. I hope it's picking up on camera. This thing is sweet. So we'll put this aside. You guys are lucky. You're getting 2 videos in one. We're doing the RS Grille install and the charge pipes and the intercooler. So I guess it's more like a 3-in-1. 1 of 3 unboxed. Oh, we just pop it right off. Let's go. Yo, Evan, come look at this thing, dude. I don't even want to put it on. It looks like, whoa, like a countertop sink in a luxury home.
Yeah, that could be like a piece of art.
Holy moly. It's like satin black.
This is gorgeous.
Holy mackerel.
Look at the top.
Yo! All right, that's sick.
That's beautiful.
That is dope. Charge pipe kit's in this one. I know that for a fact. I already opened it. But dude, this thing is gnarly. And then the last thing we're unboxing today, charge pipe kit. This stuff is all in plastic wrap. So this is nice, durable. That's good stuff. Other. And then more tube coupler guys and a whole ton of hose clamps. We'll get everything staged up and start the install. Time for me to struggle to get this bumper off by myself, but for the sake of the viewers, we're gonna speed through that. Getting everything out right now. It's taking a minute. This was already broken, so that's not new, but wanted to make sure it was accounted for. We've got everything listed out. This is super important so you don't lose stuff. Little difficult to reach. There's like clips inside on either side right here that we need to get out. But calling in Rory, because I did most of the stuff here, but he is the master mechanic. I want him to double check my work, see what I'm missing to get this freaking bumper off. This thing's tough. For those of you cringing already, this is fully protected in PPF, so we're laying it face down. It's self-healing, I don't give a hoot. But we've got quite the mess as far as wiring and stuff we took off the bumper. Again, kind of the boring stuff. This is not gonna be like a step-by-step how-to, just gonna be the transformation because we have everything still out. Bumper was first piece here, so we're just getting started. We have to wrap this thing black too. Otherwise it's gonna show through the new grill. So that's gonna be an important step. And then do we need to take any sensors out or are they all plugged in?
They're all out, they're plugged in.
Okay, cool.
We'll take an audience vote.
here.
Do an Instagram poll.
Is that too high? I will literally do a poll right now. Evan's gonna work on this crash bar, getting it off, and then I'm gonna work on getting the new grill in place. Should we do the crash bar delete?
Of course.
Safety third. Trying to tuck it away. We got some crazy. We got some absolutely wild lighting right now. That looks nuts. Some cool stuff in here too. We got a Porsche 911 and an AMG GT-C. We got this installed. It looks phenomenal. Can't wait to see it on the car. What is the plan for the crash bar now? It's raining outside, so we're
Sitting in the other shop drying, just painting it.
Oh, sick.
And then we're gonna wrap it once the paint dries.
Cool. I didn't know it was already painted.
Double
Nice work.
protection.
Nice work. So spray paint underneath, and then what? 3M gloss black. Got some 6-inch strip or something. Just gonna put on. Cool.
Yep.
And then this is coming off.
So I need you to take off this piece, which is
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more T25s.
Okay.
And then we should be able to access the brackets for this. And we get these hose clamps off, we can pull the intercooler out.
Cool. So I'm gonna make sure we're all set here. Kind of put this to the side, and then get started on the intercooler. Because again, we're doing this all at the same time. Intercooler, if I'm remembering correctly, is not too difficult. It's just literally the hose clamps, fitting everything, and then making sure it stays.
Yeah.
The charge pipes, where are we going with those?
I don't know.
And what do we have to
I guess
disconnect?
down. That's gonna be, this is gonna be a Rory.
Rory
Yeah.
deal. He's still here, right?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm not messing with this. I mean, I can see that this goes. Should be pretty easy, but
Yeah.
we do pay Rory for a reason.
Where does the other one go? Yeah, this is a Rory deal.
Looks like a lot of Rory things. And then
He's gonna love that.
silicone.
Cool. I'll get him over here shortly. We also just did the Instagram poll. I think the final resting place for the badge. People like the badge right, where did I put it? Did I have it? Here? Got the skid plate off. Oh, you good? What'd you do? A little blood. Yikes. Our favorite word, finagling here.
This is mega finagle here.
Whoa. That is a lot of tube and not a lot of space.
That's kind of impressive. That's probably why it's shaped like that.
No, they built the car around this too.
Literally. It's right there.
All right.
Well, you put yourself in the hole now. Right, here you go.
Intercooler is mounted. Rory is on the task of getting off the MAF sensor.
There's a lot of sticky stuff on here.
Okay.
I don't know why.
And the charge pipes are, well, one's in place. All right, ladies and gents, we are finally getting closer. I'm gonna leave the instructions down below with a really good instruction guide with pictures because again, this is not a how-to. This is just us goofing around, doing some installations. So this one's on, this is the charge pipe. We got this little sensor here. Goes all the way down here to the intercooler. And then coming around here, we've got this guy. Everything is on, everything is tightened as much as it can possibly be. I think the logical next step here will be to turn on the car, listen for any sort of leaks. Hopefully there won't be any, but with the bumper off, because if there are any, we'll have to listen for them. So biggest thing I am hoping is all good is this sensor here. Yeah, we're gonna start it up, you ready? So that's good.
Yeah.
That's a good thing.
Yeah, let's put everything back together.
Woo! All right. We got everything we need installed as far as the front bumper, and wow, we did the crash bar, we did the intercooler, and it is peeking behind there looking so good. Everything up front is black, and we have the Quattro, so everything is like perfect up front. We just need the lip, but again, that's coming soon. Evan, you want to do the honors? Close the hood. All right, there she is.
Wow.
Jeez. Dude, that looks perfect.
That's mean.
I like it. Oh, I can't wait to see it. We're gonna lower it, put it on the ground too, still on the Rhino ramps, but not till we get all these things finished here. I kind of like the look without the S4 badge. What do you guys think? Should we put this on? Woo, that was a long one. I spared you guys the boring stuff.
Rory.
No Rory.
He helped us with the very little Rory.
Well, a little bit, yeah.
We
A
can't
little
say
bit.
no Rory. That's f***ed up.
He helped, and he provided a majority of the tools here, I'd say. We'll get this thing down, we'll put it on the ground and start it up to make sure there are no lights that we're not expecting. Kind of do a little rip around the parking lot, make sure it's all good, and then call it a night. So we wrapped up everything. It's been a few days since we did the install for, well, everything basically, and it looks amazing. Super happy with it. This grill is so nice. As you can see, it's sunny. It just looks so perfect on this front end. Really brings it together. We've got a pretty exciting day ahead of us. We've got a bunch of Audis for Audi Club in Michigan. So if you guys are new, stick around. These videos are gonna be fun. Big thank you to Carbnlab. This looks so good and I can't wait. We got more installs on the way. If you guys are new, subscribe. Till next time, we'll see ya.